Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 208 GT line. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, rear parking aids and climate control. You've also got speed limiter with cruise control. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. Howards are happy to tailor your experience with us depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howards Click and Collect service or our Howards Home Delivery, or if you would prefer, we still have the traditional appointments to come in and view and drive a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a good day.